Hey everybody, welcome back to the shop. This is Sean with SK Turnings, and today we're working on a cherry burl bowl. As you can tell, that's a huge cherry burl. It's from a client I have, Shane Lucas. He's a great guy. He gave me the burl to just do whatever I could with it, gave me free reign, and so I just cut it up into a bunch of small pieces because, as you can see, there's cracks and voids and stuff, and I'm just working with what I have. So today, I'm going to take this little chunk and see what I can make out of it. So here you see I'm just working the tenon. I'm also working the outside shape of the bowl. I decided pretty early on that I wanted to have wings on it just to give it that uniqueness about it. It's not a big piece, so just to give it a little something extra to it. I decided to throw wings on it, and it came out really nice, so I'm very happy with it. If you're still here and you're enjoying yourself and you enjoy the videos, please consider subscribing. I'm about 80 subscribers away from 1,000, and at that point I will make the cherry bowl video, which I'm doing the giveaway for. So stay tuned for that. I really appreciate you guys watching. So here I'm just defining how big I want the wings, how big I want the bull itself. You'll see me just mark it out with a pencil. That just gives me a rough idea of how big the wings are going to be. So again, I just want to say thank you to everyone who watches, likes, subscribes to the channel. Every one of you guys makes a difference in my life, and I really appreciate it. I never thought I'd get this many subscribers or this many views. You guys are great, and I really appreciate every last one of you. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and hopefully the next video we'll be able to do that 1,000 subscriber giveaway cherry bowl. So stay tuned for that. I really appreciate it. On to the next one, guys.